Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Septian. I review earbuds and true wireless IEMs. And these earbuds are the newly released Soundcore A20i true wireless earbuds. Mailman just dropped these off on my back porch today, so I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a review. Now, the A20i have a customized sound being supported by the Soundcore app. You got IPX5, that's sneeze proof to the second power. You're getting 9 hours on a single charge on the earbuds, and you're getting 19 hours with the charging case, which is 28 hours total. So let's go ahead and open these up and see what we get inside the box. And after that, I will showcase the Soundcore app because, like I just said, they're supported by the Soundcore app. So here is a quick start guide on top, neatly tucked away in this plastic. We also have, what are these? What are those? Okay, so medium, large and small silicone tips in this bag. And this is your USB-A to USB Type-C charging cable. And lastly, the earbuds. And what's new is you got this finger strap that is built into the case. Let's see here. Take this plastic off. And hopefully, since I'm trying to do a review on these as well, we got some battery life on either the charging case or the earbuds. So I'm going to put all of this stuff away. That is pretty much all she wrote. Charging case is pretty small. If I had to compare it to some other earbuds that I have, this is the Jabra Elite 4. They look like a little bigger than, I would say, the Soundpeats T2 case, a little bigger than the Soundpeats T3, and slightly more squared on the edges. The Soundpeats Mini Pro and the Mini Pro HS. It seems a little bit smaller than the Life P2 Mini and the Life P2i. Of course, this is not glossy plastic on here. This is a little matte, little satin finish to it. It's actually got a flat bottom, so you can actually stand them up. Turn it around the back. You got the USB Type-C port, and you got one LED indicator light for the battery. So let's open these up and see what we got. I'm gonna guess, okay, I figured as much. All Soundcore earbuds, they have this plastic film over their charging pins. That way they're not charging while they're in transport. So I'm gonna put these earbuds back in the case, but first let me look at these right quick. Okay, I mentioned the Soundpeats T2, not knowing what they look like because I haven't seen anybody else's videos. These look exactly like the Soundpeats T2 earbuds. Exactly. It's like you just take this Soundcore logo off of it and put that rounded S. Wouldn't be able to tell the difference. They look good. I like the silicone tips. Yeah, let's see how much battery life we have here. Okay, I don't know what that white is. The Soundcore is good about the white. Put them in the case. Let me get my Pixel 6a out, and I'm going to pair it up to the 6a. Okay, let me open the case again. Take the earbuds out. Okay. All right, I got full battery on these things. Good. Let me see, what's the highest? Okay, so this is the highest Bluetooth codec you're gonna get. These earbuds are like 30 bucks, so you're not gonna get LDAC, but yeah, AAC on Android and on iOS as well. Not bad. Okay, I hope I got the Soundcore app already downloaded to this phone. I know I got it downloaded to my Pixel 6. Oh no. Okay, just give me a minute. Because I want to see what the app looks like. Because when it comes to the Soundcore earbuds, the earbuds that are supported by the Soundcore app, the layout is always different. The Live P3, it looks different than the Liberty Air 2 Pro. The Liberty Air 2 Pro looks different to the Liberty 3 Pro. The Space A40 looks different than all the others. So we're about to find out whether or not we get, we're able to customize the touch controls. There's no ANC on these. There's no transparency mode. There's no wireless charging. Like I said, $30 earbuds. So very just dirt cheap earbuds that are now supported by the app. So if you have the Live P2 Minis, the Live P2i, you might want to consider upgrading. Maybe. We're about to see. Maybe. If they're still working for you, that's fine. Stay where you at. Okay. Okay, can I skip all of this? Okay, yeah, I got it. Okay, go away. Okay. There we go. A20i. Ooh. We got some new stuff on here. Okay, it looks pretty standard. Looks like the Live P3 layout. We got an equalizer. We got controls. We got find device. That's different. We also got a gaming mode inside of the app. Okay, let's look at the controls. Okay, on the left earbud, single tap does nothing. What? Oh no, baby. We're gonna make that volume down. Yeah. Double tap, native voice assistant. I don't know about that. Okay, let's go to the right. Single tap, nothing? What? No. Well, at least they give you the option to play around with it. Usually, some of these are already like on by default. Okay, so you're getting 3 commands on each earbud. You're getting a single tap, a double tap, and a long press. So no triple. Why no triple? There's no triple. I don't need no voice assistant. Let me see. I got pause and play. Okay, I got previous track. I got next track. I got volume up. I guess that's enough. Let's go out of that. So we got find device. Do not use earbuds while using this feature to protect your hearing. Let's see how it works. Okay, I can't hear anything. I can't hear jack. Okay, go out of here. Gaming mode. Okay, that's basically just a switch. Okay, let's go into settings. Firmware. Let me see if we need an update. Nope, I'm up to date. Okay, what else? Let's see, Soundcore. Oh, this is why it's important to have the app. This is very important. You get these presets. You're getting the Soundcore signature, which is a balanced sound, and plus you're getting bass up, which greatly improves increases, the bass. It won't let me go in here. Okay, is there where's the equalizer at though? There should be an equalizer. It won't let me. Okay, but yeah, I can turn all of these on and they all work well. Let's see. Let me talk about the battery life. Now in the intro I told you the battery life. I just got these today. So these are fresh out the oven, these fresh off the boat. I have not tested these at all. Soundcore is advertising them as having 9 hours of battery life on the earbuds, and then you're getting 19 hours with the charging case. So you add that together, that is 28 hours total. For an earbud under $30, that's amazing. Can you just imagine what was the industry standards right now? Is it like 5 hours on a single charge? I got a lot of earbuds in this price range that I've reviewed in the past, and I got some more excuse me, that I haven't reviewed that are just 5 hours. They don't have ANC, they don't have ambient mode, they don't have LDAC. They do have a gaming mode, They don't have full touch controls, and they sure as hell don't have support to a companion app. So to have battery 9 hours, which that's what they're advertising, which in my case, when it comes to Soundcore earbuds, you're probably gonna get around, if you listen above 75%, you're gonna get around, I'd say 7. You might get 8 hours on a single charge, maybe 7, depending on how loud you listen to your music. I'm gonna get a battery life of 4 out of 5. Now that I got these paired up to my 6A, I want to do something that I haven't done live on a video in a long time, and that is, can I go deaf? I know some of y'all, you like the ear bleed, so let's see how loud these get at max volume. Go ahead and hit that up right there. I'll put one of these back into the case because I only need one for this test. And I'm going to open up Apple Music, and I'm about to see how loud these get. Okay, let me see. I probably should go with some rap music because rap is pretty dynamic and energetic, and it does get loud. But I'm just gonna see how loud this chill hop gets. Hold up. Let me turn this way. That way you can see it. I ain't gotta worry about no proximity sensors because these don't have them. 98.2. Ooh, 109.4, 107.2. This is pretty loud. 105.8, 110.5. That's loud. You may not think that's loud, but compare that to how loud a subway train gets, which is around 100 dB. Gas-powered lawnmower, a leaf blower, that's 70 dB. Human speech is, what is it, 50 dB? So yeah, 100 dB. This is at max volume. That's really loud. So if you think 100 dB is not loud enough on some earbuds that cost $30, you might want to go to the ear, nose, and throat doctor and get your stuff checked out, because depending on how old you are, you got some hearing loss. You got some real bad hearing loss. Yes, that's pretty loud. Not bad. I'm gonna get this. Let me get a loudness on these. A 4 out of 5. That's pretty good. Now, when it comes to the sound quality, one of the reasons I spend my money on Soundcore products is the Soundcore signature sound. Now, inside of the app, there's a preset. It emphasizes the mids and the highs while still having plenty of bass. I'm going to test to see if that's accurate or not right now. This video is going to be pretty long because I'm not trying to edit none of this. Okay, I got the earbuds in my ears. That's the little Soundcore sound. Okay, now I'm gonna go back into the app and let's see here. Okay, there. Okay, Soundcore signature is already turned on, and I can't. I'm pretty sure. I guess I'd have to spend a little more money to get like the equalizer, the 8-band one. So I'm gonna play some music. Like I said, I just got these today. This is uncharted territory for me. Okay, I'm listening right now. Yeah, it's definitely an emphasis on the mids and the highs. I'm listening to chill hop playlist in Apple Music, and chill hop music is basically like hip hop instrumentals. There's a lot of instruments on there. Okay, here come the bass. Smooth. Okay, the bass is smooth. Why did it just pause? This content is not authorized. What you mean it's not authorized? You gotta play a song. Okay, y'all tripping. Let me go to another one. Alright. Okay, he's got some pianos playing in the beginning. I'd say, yeah, it's a good balanced sound. It sounds real good. And it's plenty of bass too. Even though, let me turn the bass up. Let me turn it on. Okay. Okay, bass just kicked in. Ooh, that bass thump. Okay, let me turn the bass up off. I would say you don't need bass up unless you're a bass head junkie. There's plenty of bass. That's not bad. I say turn on the bass up for a warmer with more energy. It gives a deep, richer bass. It's more immersive. But in my opinion, if years I don't really need it. That's plenty of bass right there. The sound right now is balanced. It's clear and detailed. It's engaging. And like I said, it works with chill hop. It'll work with pop music. It'll work with rock music. It'll work with classical and jazz. So I'm gonna get a sound quality on these tiny earbuds. I'm gonna give these things a. I'm gonna give them a 5 out of 5, man. That sound quality. This sound quality is really good. This is wow. Ooh, I got some comparison videos for these things. So wrap this video up. You can't go wrong with the A20i at $30. These are lightweight, compact earbuds with a multitude of features you'd have to spend $100 to get 5 years ago. Yeah, Soundcore is still at the top. It's still at the top. Soundcore at the top, and I would say maybe one more is number 2, and then Soundpeaks would be number 3. I don't know. Maybe OnePlus is number 2. Oh man, I probably should have made a list before I said that out loud. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, consider subscribing to my channel. Click that bell icon so you'll be notified when I post new videos. And I will be doing a mic test, so don't go anywhere. This is a mic test of the Soundcore A20i in a quiet room. This audio is coming through my Pixel 6 using the Filmic Pro app. And this is the Soundcore A20i with ambient background noise playing through the Filmic Pro app. As always, you be the judge of the quality of the microphones. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your sound. I'll see you in the next video.